Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the electric manicure set and verifying essentials. First, confirm battery is at least 50% or plug in for 15 to 30 minutes. This avoids mid-session cutoff. Next, sanitize hand and tools to prevent infection, then snap the chosen bit into the chuck. Make sure it clicks. Once done, set speed to 1 or 2 and test on a spare nail or buffer to learn feel and vibration before proceeding to longer or more delicate shaping. You now shape and refine. Begin at low speed and only increase when comfortable because speed reduces clogging and heat. Start with a coarse bit to remove length in 2 to 3 short passes. Shape, then thin, then smooth, so you never overfile. Make light, sweeping motions at roughly a 10 to 20 degree angle. This prevents digging and heat buildup. Once done, switch to a finer bit for cuticle cleanup and smoothing. Make sure to wipe debris and check symmetry as you go. You finish by buffing to the desired shine and applying cuticle oil to restore moisture. This both seals work and soothes skin. Clean bits with a brush and alcohol after each session to prolong life. If the device overheats, immediately reduce speed, pause for 30 to 60 seconds, and change to a cooler bit. This prevents warping. If the tool won't run, fully charge the battery, inspect contacts for debris, and test the charger. Make sure to replace the battery or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.